well, since I'm already sliding around the yard to different spaces, what do you say I mentioned that this is episode 4? Now, I'm going to do the same thing I did last night, except now it's going to be midnight to 3 a.m. Last night it was 8 to 11 p.m. So let's see what we can get for the late people. Midnight to 3. Gonna get 6 stars, easy ones you can see without binoculars or without a telescope. You can just look up and go, Dr. Astronomy told me about that one. So that's what we're gonna work on. So let's get to it. All right, let's get going. Oh my God. All right, let's get going. After I recover from this blindness, in the south-southeast, 63 degrees, the star Vega. And there we got it, 63 degrees. I think I said 63 degrees. East-northeast, star Vega. Now that's in HD. Let's take a look at it in infrared, see what's around it. And around it, tell you the truth, I can't see. All I can see is a gray screen. Until I process this and put it on the TV, I can't see what's around Vega. So if y'all see something massive and scary around Vega, let me know. And here through the telescope, I believe I said 63 degrees in the east-northeast, the star Vega. Okay, now we're going to get another 2 for 1, both between 160 and 165 degrees in the southeast. The first one is Antares. The second one is Dishuba. Here's a look at them in the infrared. Okay, gonna knock out a sort of 2 for 1 here. There's Antares. And straight up from it, Dishuba. First up, on the bottom, we've got the star Antares. And here through the telescope, we have the red star Antares. Followed just above it by the star Dishuba. Like I said, both between 160 and 165 degrees. And just above Antares, through the telescope, we have the blue star Dishuba. Okay, now I'm going to move on up north and get the star Polaris. You're thinking, you got the star Polaris last night at a different time. Why, yes I did. Yes I did. There's a reason for my madness. That's because the star Polaris sits at 0 degrees. Never moves, never goes anywhere. I filmed that last night about 9 o'clock, I don't know, 9:30. Here it is. On closer to 1 a.m. Sits in the same place, 0 degrees, and that proves my point. And at 0 degrees, through the telescope, we have the star Polaris, yet again. Alright, now we're going to move on up to 65 degrees in the northeast, just a little bit west of Vega. And we're going to find Deneb. And at 65 in the northeast, we're losing and gaining Deneb. I'm hoping this will blow by in the next couple seconds and I can show it to you in infrared, because if not, I'm going to cut this out entirely. Ah! What do you know? Deneb. Infrared. And there at around 65 degrees in the northeast, we got the star Deneb through the telescope. Alright, it's going to do it for me. Clouds moved in. Sorry, I could only get 5. Try to get 6. I'll pick it up tomorrow night, do 7. But, you know, I'm scared too, being out here alone. I gotta go inside and cower in my corner. Yeah, right. Well, hope you enjoyed it, man. Hope you learned something. Did the best I could. I'm working a lot harder on these new ones. Just remember, don't get mad and pissed off. Just move along. Be yourself. Yourself.